You know what? I feel like I need to apologize to him. Do you think we could get him on the phone again? Yeah, sure. Let me just look up his number. Yeah, I thought, oh, this will be funny. We'll get Hunter Biden on the phone. We'll kind of mock his artwork because he's got an art show now, and he's making $500,000 for a painting. And so I thought, hey, this will be funny. Let's knock him down a peg. But you realize that the guy's on the bottom already. He's hit rock bottom. Millionaire or no. Okay, sweetie, it's ringing. All right. Hello, may I speak with Hunter Biden, please? Okay, she's getting him. You think that's his sister-in-law / wife? Probably. Hi, Hunter Biden. Hi, it's Natasha again. Yeah, from the BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO podcast. How you doing? Okay, great. Say, do you want to be on the show again? Okay, NANABOOZHOO wants to talk to you. I'm going to transfer you. Okay, thanks. All right, sweetie, he's on line 2. All right, on line 2. Hunter Biden, welcome back to the podcast. Hey, man, what are you calling me up in the middle of the night for, man? I was dead asleep. Yeah, it's not the middle of the night. It's early in the morning. What? What time is it? It's 8:23 a.m. 8:23. Man, I just got in. I was out partying up at the strip club, man. It was great. Yeah, okay. Say, I wanted to call. Yesterday I called you up and I kind of made fun. I kind of teased you about this painting. Yeah, man, how come you don't like my paintings, man? That's my paintings. I painted those paintings and I go, man. Yeah. And then as I was talking to you, I realized that, that wasn't cool of me. I didn't need to mock you in front of so many people. I mean, there were like 7 people showed up last night. And, in the Anishinaabe way, we're taught in our, 7 values that we must treat people with manadenda moen, with respect. And I didn't do that yesterday. You're a human being. You're a child of Gitche Manado, just like me. So, dude, I'm really sorry. I was out of line. Man, don't even sweat it. I didn't give it a care. I didn't mind one bit. I thought it was funny. I mean, look at that thing. Just look at it. What, you're painting? Yeah, man. Look at that thing. That's not a painting, dude. I just dripped a bunch of drops in the water. Man, you can't insult me. I made $500,000. I made $500,000, dude. Hey, hold on a sec. That thing right there, that was $500,000. Are you smoking crack right now? What? How did you know, man? You got ESP? No, I could hear you. Oh, that's right. Those are phones right here. Man, I don't know what's going on. Yeah, and that's the point. I think you could really use some help. And no, I'm not telling you to go back into treatment. That obviously is a waste of time and money because you don't stop. But maybe it's time to get down on your knees and ask the Great Spirit for some help. I used to have the Serenity Prayer. Maybe I should pull that up. The Serenity Prayer. That's for drunks, man. I don't need a Serenity Prayer. Listen, man. Why don't you repeat after me? So am I going to do that? Am I going to get the Serenity Prayer? That's maybe not worth it. But the Serenity Prayer is basically, grant me the serenity to accept the things I cannot change. Hunter, you can't change who you were born into, I know your childhood is probably worse and different than any of us could have imagined. And I know that the world has just thrown money at you and opportunities and protected you from any kind of adversity or hardship, and so you never developed any character. Your dad keeps on getting you out of trouble. You can't be touched because you're the president's son. And I know that didn't do you any favors, that you weren't allowed to develop any artistic talent. You never had any real relationships. I mean, you couldn't even get a real woman to love you. You had to steal your dead brother's widow. And so, let me just say this. I don't know if I'm your elder or not. We're probably around the same age. But in our way, we talk about having the Bedane dizzy win. What are you talking about having what now, man? The Bedane dizzy win. It means humility. And, you will find that you are much greater if you can get humble and admit that you're a pretty pretty flawed individual, and as we all are. I'm not saying I'm perfect, but maybe you can come back to the red road somehow. Give up all this nonsense. Give away your money. Find that who you were before everything went so crazy. I don't know. That's just my little 2 cents. Man, you really, I appreciate that you're talking to me just so upright, man. You truly are a brother. You're a real brother, you man. I don't know. I never had anybody tell me like that. Now don't cry. No, it's just so hard. Let me get a little hit here. Oh, that's good. Yeah, man, you're a true brother. And I love you. I love you. Don't get carried away, man. Here's my other bit of advice. Don't cry. You're a man. It's okay for men to cry. Not for Hunter Biden to cry. He's got to suck it up. All right, man. You gave me all to think of. I'm gonna change my ways. I'm gonna get phone here, and I'm gonna go out. I'm gonna be a different man today. Really? No, man. I want to smoke some crack. All right. Well, anyway, I better get off the phone. I got a show to do here. All right, man. I'm gonna go say what was that, okay? What? I don't know. I was trying to speak Ojibwe. You want to learn an Ojibwe phrase? Yeah, man. You teach me Ojibwe phrase today, man. Just teach me Ojibwe phrase. Yeah, what we say? Gigawabamin Menoa. What? No, that's gibberish. No, it's gibberish. Gigawabamin Menoa. It means I will see you again. Gigawabamin Menoa. I will see you again. Yep, I'll see you again, Hunter.